Welcome to the brand new community of Edgewood by K.Hovnanian in Santan Valley. Today we're going to take a look at the Pasadena floor plan, which is 2,144 square feet, one-story home with 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. This house does have a 5th bedroom option. Let's go inside and take a look. Okay, that is the inside of the Pasadena floor plan. Again, 2,144 square feet. It comes standard with 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. Don't forget you have that 5th bedroom option. If you'd like to see other videos within the community, we did one on the Frankfurt floor plan, which is in the estates section. Click the link up above and you can watch that video. Let's go ahead, go outside and take a look at what the lot looks like. So one thing to remember here, the villas section, 6,500 square foot lots, the estates section, 7,500 square foot lots. Remember that when you come out to the community, bring your real estate agent with you. The sales reps are wonderful people and super helpful, but they do not represent you. They represent the builder's best interests. So they're here to represent them and not you. It's important to bring your agent with you on the first time out. If you have any comments, comment down below, or you can reach out to me at 480-588-2281. Again, that's 480-588-2281. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thank you.